If you have an M365 Copilot license, Microsoft Word has a few great features when you use Copilot. I'm Chris Menard. I have a sample employee handbook pulled up. I'm going to pull up Copilot in Word. I'm using the desktop version. I could also use Word on the web for this. When I pull up Copilot, what do I want to know about this file? This file mentions that we have an attire section, but I'm going to type in dress codes. I'm going to say, what does this handbook What does this handbook say about the dress code is my prompt. Copilot will look through this document. You can see that it's referencing it right here. It came back with these bullet points. I can summarize this into a more polished policy, which I knew it would do that. But if you look down below, it gave me these additional prompts to try. I don't care for any in this example. What I want to do, though, is I want the dress code to also be a standalone policy. So still included in the handbook, but give me a standalone policy. Just tell Copilot to do that. My prompt is to make the dress code a standalone policy that I can share with employees. It is still referencing this file, which is the correct file to reference. My options are to add it to this document. I can copy the response. But it's also telling me right here, format this as a PDF. Let's give that a shot. I'm not going to do it, but it's asking me if I want to include the company logo, add the company logo to this PDF, make it a fillable form, translate it. But here is the PDF. And that looks horrible. I told Copilot that the PDF looked horrible. In real life, I would have given this a thumbs down if I wasn't making a video. And then I told it, can you make this into an MS Word document? Let's see if this looks any better. Still wanting me to put, by the way, my company logo or branding. There is my Microsoft Word document. This looks a whole lot better. Enable editing. It even came in here and used heading style 1, heading style 2, on and on. And as you know from here, I could save this Word document into my OneDrive or a SharePoint, and I could create a PDF from this Word document right here. Thank you for your time. I am a huge fan of Microsoft 365 Copilot. I do have the paid version. Have a wonderful day.